So welcome dear students. Good morning. Good morning to all. Dear students, welcome to image processing class. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, heartily welcome to our image processing class. So now today, as we have discussed in few class, the previous classes like histogram equalization, and also we have made few discussions regarding the previous class. What we have discussed yesterday, then ಏನ್ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Yes, can anyone share the information of yesterday's class? Yes. So arithmetic operations, isn't it? So we have carried out some arithmetic operations on images like addition of two images, that is add, subtraction, division, multiplication on two images. Also we have carried out logical operations on images like AND operations and OR operation, complement, then negation, XOR operations. So all these things we have discussed yesterday. No? So today we'll continue our discussions with the spatial filtering. Okay. So in spatial filtering, it's one of the technique by which you can enhance the quality of the images by using a 3x3 or a 2x2 mask. Okay. So this mask is a region or a sub window, what we can say. So this will be applied on the input image, f of x common, right? Then on each and every pixels, we are going to perform this mathematical operator so that we can enhance the quality of the. So the spatial filtering contains two types of function. One is correlation and another one is convolution. So remember correlation and convolution are the two the operations we can apply on spatial filtering. So I'm going to share the PPT. So let us discuss it. I hope this is visible for all of you. Yes, students. Can you see the PPT?
Sir.
So spatial filtering. Okay. So as the name itself indicates, the spatial filtering it's a technique. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ technique? So this will give the information about a filter. So in filter, we have a spatial filter over here. So the spatial filter can be also called as a mask. So in this case, we have taken a 3x3 mask. Okay, and these values, that is W now weights and sometimes we call them as coefficients, mask coefficients. We call it as. So these mask coefficients, they will show the coordinate arrangement. So if you consider the coordinate arrangement, so like see here. So here, if you consider any mask, okay, a standard mask. center of the mask will be taken as the coordinate, or every coefficient can be represented by the weight. W ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the coefficient, okay, or what we can say the weight. Okay? And if you consider the center pixel, okay, the center pixel, so this will give the value 0, 0. Okay, so it will give the value 0, 0. So then, so this will be taken as 0 because this coordinate value represents 0 and x value. So this is y value. So this is also 0. Next, if you come down like this, so if you come down like this, we have +1, and if you go up, it's -1. If you go towards right side direction, you will get 1, and if you go back, if you go backwards, you will get 1. So now you represent these things. So this is 1 minus, so this is 1 minus 1. Then what about this one? This is S 1, 0. This is 1, 1, and we have this one. It is 0, -1. Isn't it? Sarivya. Then we have 0, 1, 0. Then we have -1, -1. Now 0. Then we have -1, plus. So this is the mask what we are using here. Okay. So now this is the function. Okay. So this is the mathematical function of a convolution. So convolution can be represented mathematically. So this is summation. Okay, summation, sigma antandre summation. So g of x comma y is the output image. Okay. So g of x comma y is the output image, which is equals to s starts from -a to +a, and t. So s and t are the spatial coordinates, which starts from -b to +d. So w of s comma t. W antandre again coefficients of the mask. W of s comma t into f of x minus x. X antandre once again coordinate of intensity value of row and intensity value of column, that is y. So in this x, minus of spatial coordinate value and minus of t value. That is and in between them, if there is nothing, means it is a product. We have to multiply. So that is why we can also call them as g is equal to w into f. W antandre convolution mask into star andre into f antandre input image, and g represents output image. So now we can see here, okay, a convolution. So a convolution kernel, a mask kernel andru kuda unde, mask andru kuda unde. The convolution kernel w, it has been given over here. So this is a 3x3. This is a 3x3 matrix. 1 -1 -1 1 2 -1 1 1 1. So this is a convolution kernel. Okay. So if you rotate this to 180 degree, okay, so it becomes correlation. Okay, the mask becomes correlation if you rotate it to 180 degree. Then this is the input image. So you have some intensity values here, 2 2. Okay, so it's a 4x4 image. Then this is a 3x3 kernel or a mask, convolution mask. So if you rotate this to 180 degree, what happens? The elements which are present above principal diagonal. So this is principal diagonal. So this is principal diagonal. the elements which are present above the principal diagonal, that is -1, -1, and -1, they will come to the lower part of the principal diagonal, like here, -1, -1, and -1, and those values which are present below the principal diagonal element region, they will be taken into the above of the principal diagonal if you rotate the kernel, or if you rotate the mask by 180 degree. Okay? So that is what. Now if you apply this, if you using this the previous formula, okay, if you this is the previous formula, convolution formula. Convolution is once again image enhancement filter. Okay, image enhancement filter. This can be used with the help of this formula. And when you apply this mask, convolution mask on a given input image, how the enhancement can occur. So this is the thing here. So we have to apply the center pixel of the mask on each and every pixel. So how this will work? So I will let you know. Now, so we have a mask here of the quadrant, kernel on the mask. Okay. Now, this is as shown here, except we complete. So the values are 1, 1, 1, and we have -1, -2, 1 plus 2. Then we have 1, -1, -1, and 1. And we have an input image here. Of size 4 cross 4. So 2, 2, 2, 3, and we have 2, 1, double 3, then we have 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, double. So this side, okay. So when you apply this kernel on input image, so what happens? Okay, sum of products, what we can say, sum of products operation has to happen. Sum of products means you have to perform summation and as well as multiplication. How this can be done? So when you apply this, what happens? So the center pixel will be placed on this. Okay. So when you apply this mask here, so 2 and 2. Okay. So 2 and
4.
The value becomes 4. This value becomes 4. Okay. Now the rest of the pixels we have to consider. But this is a mask. You know, the mask has been organized. Okay. And this is the center pixel. Like isn't it? So this is the 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is also 1. So only overlapping occurs in this region. Okay, because this region will be overlapped on the pixel values, and these are the zero padding anta karite ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ zero region ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So 2 and 2, so that is why we place it here, it value becomes 2. Then, so what about here? Okay, so this is 4, actually 4 after that. Next, the rest of the regions is 2 into 1. 2 into 1,
2.
2. Next we have 2 into minus 1.
Minus 2.
Then we have 1 into 1.
1.
1.
Now what you have to do? Now product is over. P operation is over. Next summation. Summation andaga you have to perform summation on these values. So this is minus 2. When you apply summation here, okay, 2 plus 2 minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What remains? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
5.
So 5. So E region in a pixel value become 1. Okay, initially it was 2. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 2 ಇತ್ತು. Now 5 ಆಗಿದೆ. It means it is more and more brighter now compared to 2. Okay, means double ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ almost. Now you once again you apply the kernel, the mask to the next portion of the image. The next portion of the image ಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ so apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that is 2 2 1. So this will be as it is ಹಾಗೇನೇ ಇದೆ. So ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? This 2 will be taken with respect to the center value. Center value ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 2,
4.
so the value becomes 4. Then you place the entire mask here. Okay, so like this. Okay. So this is 1 1 1. This is 2. So this is minus 5. 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is 2. 5. Sorry, have to take the previous value. So now this is 5, but if you consider the previous value, value, that is ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇದು ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. If you apply the kernel here, so I will take like this. ಇದನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ನಾವು ಅದರ so once again ನೋಡಿ, 2 into the center pixel, 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Now you apply this entire kernel here. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 1 1. 2 into minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟು?
-2.
Minus 2. Then we have 2 into 1. So it is as it is. Next, minus 1 into 2.
minus 2,
Minus 2. Minus 1 into plus 1.
minus 1,
Minus 1. 1 into 3.
3,
3. Okay. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ okay, you apply okay, this particular summation on this region. ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ -2 +2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
cancel,
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3 -1 +2. ಸೊ +2 -2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್? only
4,
4 remains. Okay, so the second value becomes 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಎಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
yes sir,
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ?
yes sir,
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಿ. So input image is there. This is the input image. Okay na? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಈ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಇಮೇಜಿನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. This is a processed image, so output image ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್. ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
4,
4,
ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೂರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 1 1 1 ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಖಾಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಮತ್ತೆ -1 ಸರಿನಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ you won't take into consideration. Because you ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ. So now what about this one? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2 into 2 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 1 ಎಷ್ಟು?
2,
ಸೊ 2 ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. -1 into 2
-2,
-2,
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 into +1 ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 into 1
1,
1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ 0 ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 0. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಈಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ +2 -2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ 4 + 1
5.
ಆ 5 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ 5 ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರಿನಾ ಈ 5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ So you take the input image as it is. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Same thing. ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We have applied the mask in this particular position. Now next position ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2.
4.
So, now you apply the mask here. Right? One ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 0 ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 0 ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ 2 because all these things are overlapping region this region and this region they are overlapping region that is why you have to multiply them so 2 into -2
-2.
-2 1 into 2
2.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನೇನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ -1 into 2
-2
-2 1 into -1
-1
1 into 3
3.
ಹಾ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ -2 + 4 + 2 -2 -1 + 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ +2 -2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ +2 +2 -2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು
4.
ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ 5 4 8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಸ್ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Yes, sir.
Okay, nodi here in the output image you have got obtained 5 and when you have moved the kernel convolution mask to one position next so it becomes 4 5 4 ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ
Yes, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ -2 -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ -3 + 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so once again 4 remains here so that 4 will be taken in the output image see when what is happening over here so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದ್ದು 5 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೈಟರ್ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ -2 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ +6 ಇದೆ -3 -6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ +6 -6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು -2 ದಟ್ -2 will be taken over here. Similarly, when you perform the kernel on this region, you are going to get 9, 6, So this is the output image, final output image, convolution, final output image. Yes, this type of problems you may get in exams. Okay, apply the convolution function on a given input image. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು input image ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು kernel ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So you have to apply and you have to find out the sum of products of the input image, yeah, with respect to the given kernel. It's the final output image. So 5, 4, 4 minus 2, 9, 6, 14. So this is the enhanced image compared to the original input. So now this is correlation. Just like our convolution, in one function is there, adu kuda it is similar to our convolution. So it is so called as a correlation. It is also one of the statistical measure, okay, in order to enhance the quality of the input image. Once again, we have a g of x comma y. This g of x comma y represents the output image, and s is equals to minus a to plus a, t is equals to spatial coordinates, summation. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಮ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ w is a coefficients of the kernel of spatial coordinates s and t, and f of x plus x and y plus t. Okay. So this is the difference between this correlation and convolution. In convolution, x minus s ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus s ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the mathematical representation. W, this composition, yeah, is called as correlation. So now we have once again a correlation here, correlation kernel W. So we have 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now we have an input image over here. What is the difference between the kernel? The kernel, what we have used in case of convolution, and the kernel, what we have used in case of correlation. Any difference? Any correlation? Can you identify that? I hope you have understood my question. So this is the kernel. This kernel tane. This kernel ige idu correlation alli baruvanತಹ kernel. ಈ ಕರ್ನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕರ್ನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಣಮ್ಮ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಸೂಪರ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ನೋಡಿ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಲಿ ನಾವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೊಟೇಟ್ a given kernel with 180 degree, what happens, you know, whatever the kernel what you are going to get, it is with respect to the correlation. On the other hand, if you consider the kernel as it is, it becomes a convolution. So that is the difference. So now that is why you can see the word here. Say don't rotate, use it directly, okay, because it has been already rotated. It has been already rotated, so that is why use it directly. The next thing, apply it on the input image. That is 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 1, double 3, and 2, 2, 1, 2. So this is the input image. Now the same thing what we have done in case of previous, this is the kernel, and we have an input image over here. So this becomes so 2 into, see here, 2 into 2, the first pixel, 2 into 2, it becomes 4. Then you have minus 1 plus 2, minus 2, and we have 1, 2, 1 into 2, that is 2, and we have most nodi correct again, 1 into 1, so it becomes 1. Now apply the summation over here. So this minus 2 plus 2 cancels, 4 plus 1, it becomes 1. Artha correlation. Dear students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? 5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಡಿಬಲ್?
Yes, sir.
ಈ 5 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 into 2, that becomes 4 into 4 multiply ಆಗಿದೆ. So 2 into the next one, that is 2, that is 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I mean this is 2 is already taken over here. 1 into 2, 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 1 into minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 1 into 2, plus 2, plus 1 into 1, plus 1, 1 into 3, 3. So you ignore this region and only consider this region. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹಲೋ,
Yes, sir.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ 10 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 10. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 15 like this. So you are applying the mask on each and every pixel spatial coordinates of the given input image. So this is the final output image. 25, 10, 10, 15. Input image ನೋಡಿ 2, 2, 2, 3 2. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ once again enhancement ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is correlation. So linear, next is linear spatial filtering ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is given by the function R. Okay, R ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Linear spatial filtering. So W of minus 1 into minus 1, f of x minus 1 comma y minus 1 plus W of minus 1 comma 0 into f of x minus 1 comma y. So on W of 0 comma 0 into f of x y. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ he is writing it. ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಲಿನ representation ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, he is multiplying with the pixel relationships. X minus 1, y minus 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ starting left to top. Next to f of x minus 1 comma y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one position towards right side. So he is multiplying these constants, that is the spatial kernel constants W, coefficients W, he is multiplying with the pixels. Okay? So this is called as linear spatial filtering, and in between them he is performing the summation, the sum of products. So these are the two types of filters which are used for smoothing. So first one is called as a linear and non-linear, and smoothing linear filters, also known as averaging filters, ಅಥವಾ low pass filters ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, they may ask a question, define low pass filter is nothing but averaging filters ಅಥವಾ linear filters. So here you can see that here. So this is a smoothing linear filters. So we have 1 by 9 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is weighted average filter. This is box filter. So see, this is the, you consider the values here. Okay. So how to find out the average of the values? See what happens if this is a input image. So if this is an input image, when you perform the summation of these, it becomes 9 alva. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, if you do, it becomes 9. How the alva?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
And when you divide this total, that is 9, divide by number of entities. How many number of entities present here? How many values present here in this mask?
9.
So that
9.
is by into 1 by 9 andre we are dividing the entire total by 9 anta. So that is average. Illi nodi, if you perform summation of all the intensity values, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15 plus 1 16, and the total is 16. And if you divide that by 16, once again, you are going to get the average filter. That is how you find out your average of your score. You are going to divide your entire total by number of subjects. So here number of spatial coordinates, that is 16. So this is the smoothing filters. When you apply an input image, like this original image, when you apply a 3 cross 3 filter, so this is the quality. And when you apply white cross white filter, once again, the quality is a little bit blurrish, and this is more averaging. So as you go on increasing the number of values, the value becomes more and more blurred, or what we can say smoothed. So that is why the average value will be taken, because there may be white pixels, there may be black pixels, all of them they are going to mix each other. So that is what we can say average. So on the other hand, this is the original. This is much more clear. 3 cross 3 is not that much blurred, but if you consider 35 by 35, it is really very blurred, or what we can say smoothed image. This is called smoothing of the linear filters. So this is another application. Yaki smoothing now use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in order to find out the largest object here. So if you consider this is a photo captured by a telescope of the celestial bodies like planets, galaxies. Okay, there are so many galaxies here. So we have to find out the galaxy which is more brighter. Okay, so this may be the galaxy which is more and more brighter. So when you apply smoothing, what happens? The nearest pixels, they are going to, the nearest connected components, they are going to mix each other. They are going to connect, they are going to join one another. So that is the thing here. This is the blurred image. When you apply the smoothing filters, then once you apply the thresholding function, that is, for example, contrast stretching, what we have conducted in our previous classes, or we can go for histogram equalization. So what happens? So this entire connected portion is more bigger, brighter region. So this galaxy can be, we can declare that it is more brighter. Okay? So that is how we can apply the image processing in case of astronomy. So this is what we have discussed today: the spatial domain operations, convolution and correlation, smoothing of the linear filters. If you have any queries, you can ask. Yes. No queries?